The other one is the 3 changes coming to Google Ads automated extensions, and this is through our courtesy of our friends at searchengineland.com. So Google have just announced these 3 changes. A type of ad extension that is created dynamically for your ad when it's predicted to improve your performance. Now, what that prediction is, only Google knows. Here's what's changing. Automated and manual extensions can be shown together. So starting sometime in mid-March, automated extensions can be shown with manually created extensions. So if you have created 2 site links manually, Google Ads can show 2 dynamic site links as well for a total of up to 4 site links. So it can mix and match these together. Reporting, Google Ads will provide a report for automatically created extensions. You can see these in the table view of the extensions page like this over here. And they can be added at ad group, campaign, or account level, which is good. Also, starting in mid-March, site links, callouts, structure snippets from higher levels in your account can serve with extensions of the same type from lower levels. So here's before and after from Google Ads that illustrates before and after structure. Now, as per Google's best practices, opt into dynamic site links, dynamic callouts, and dynamic structure snippets to give the system more opportunities to show extensions with your ads. You can pause or remove an extension, individual extension that was automatically created if you don't want it to show with your ads anymore. Now, that's up to you how much you are going to take into account what the Google recommendation is. Some people I know, they never opt in, and quite a few people I know they do opt in. If you're going to ask me what we do as an agency or what I do, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I'm going to give you a very diplomatic answer to this. Some of the recommendations are not aligned with our campaign goals, so we tend to ignore them or cancel them.